of what's she doing?
What you making, baby?
Sauce of the fish ball.
What? What'd you do wrong, baby?
Look!
What is that?
It's a flour. I need to make a sauce for the fish ball.
A sauce for the fish ball?
Yeah. Palpak ni pati ba? Palpak. Palpak. Bigyan. Pero this room. Palpak.
You know that's cornstarch, baby. That's not flour.
Yeah, I know.
You know what cornstarch does?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a big white handprint on the back of your booty from the flour. Then what kind of sauce are you trying to make?
Fish ball sauce.
And you understand cornstarch makes things thick.
Yeah, that's what I needed.
Okay, well it got thick. What were you looking for? What are you researching? Fish ball sauce? Alright. Folks, you can't make this shit up. You know what, I was gonna do a video on it and I said fuck it. I'm not doing it. I'm not giving the it's not worth my time for a full video. After everything was looking so positive for this place for 2022, this is the best way to describe what happens here. You take one step forward, the next day you take 32 steps back. Welcome to the Philippines. Everything was looking good for 2022. Everything was going in the positive direction. And then here we go. January 3rd. At least they allowed Christmas and New Year's to go down. January 3rd. Resolution number 01. Series of 2022. Growing concern over the yada yada yada. The Horanda omnivore. You know what I'm talking about. I just don't want to get the warning at the top of this video. Blah, blah, blah. Basically, you can't go in any facility here without a vaccine card. To get into the province, you got to show a vaccine card or a negative PCR test. I was talking to my buddy this morning, and he said, yeah, they're talking about from the 8th, or, well, let's just talk from the 8th to the 15th, going to alert level 3. And I said, hey man, what about talk about a liquor ban? He's like, well, as far as I heard, there was no talk about a liquor ban. I said, it's fucking coming. Come on. So here you go. January 8th to January 15th. Blah, 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 to save me and the rest of the population. Save my life. There's a liquor ban. Here we go again. And you know what they do. They just say from the 8th to the 15th, but the 15th is the middle of the month, so they'll extend it the 31st or the 1st, and they'll fucking extend it another 15 days. Here we go on just another ride. So even though I was optimistic that 2022 was going to be a great year, and I still am, it ain't starting out that way, at least for this place. And I hate it. I hate it for I hate it for the hotels. I hate it for the bars. I hate it for the bar employees. I hate it for the tourism industry. It just seems like this is the last place on earth that they'll ever give this stuff up. You know, I mean, you had martial law here for years, starting back in the 70s, and you can draw your own conclusions, the parallels to that. I guess if you're in New York City, it's not a big deal to you because you've been living under this. If I were in New York City, I would have moved out of New York City the fucking day they started this stupidity, but that's just me. Right now, where I'm at, it's just gotta ride it out. I have to ride it out. I have no choice other than to ride this out for other reasons. If I was a single male here with no kids, I would be on the next thing smoking out of this country. That's just me. That's just me. I'm going to talk about it more, but just realize that from what I understand, we're on alert level 3, same as Manila. What the fuck that means, who knows? You've had so many different alert levels here. You know, from the enhanced, community quarantine, modified, enhanced, general. You have no fucking clue what it means. It's just what a reference talking point. So you do your own research. I think we're on alert level 3. You can read the articles about how the president of this country has threatened, not threatened, but, well, yeah, basically said if the unvaccinated are caught on the streets, they can be arrested. That's what it's reporting in open source reporting. But when you come down to a liquor ban, here we go. We're just going down the same rabbit hole of ridiculousness. You can't make this up. You can't make it up. Where's G? Just a second. Mom's gonna serve them up with the sauce.
Okay. But I oh here.